Hey there, everybody. It's Rob, the Ignorant Entrepreneur, and I bring you the day that I knew was going to come. The first week that I lost the 10% challenge, or just didn't reach 10%. Now, to be fair and to give myself, a little bit of credit, I nearly reached 10%, and then I, for whatever reason, just tried to do too much. And I ended up entering trades that probably will not do me too well Monday. We'll see. But here you can actually see that we started off the week January 24th. I made a call here for, this was AT&T, and got my little $10. And at that point, yes. And then I made a little play on IBM that got me just $1 below 10% for the week. So what I do, I try to enter another trade. And of course, that ended up spiraling me down until I lost a heck of a lot of money. So I'm only up 4% total now for the challenge, but I am in positions for CVS, Lee Auto, and AT&T. I'm just realizing I created a wash sale here. So for those of you that don't know, a wash sale is when you buy a position and you sell it at a loss, and then you buy that position again before 30 days. And it's really just a scam. It's terrible that this is one of the rules. It creates a situation where if you do a wash sale, they basically don't allow you to take out that loss in your taxes. It's absurd because it's like you lost the money. So, again, it's, in my opinion, it's a scam. But anyway, yeah, after I was just $1 off, I tried to enter this CVS trade, which just proved detrimental for me. But I was still, because I had extra funds that I pushed away to the side for a rainy day, like an Ethereum. So I could have just, held on and maybe just sold a little bit of Ethereum from the excess profit that we had in previous weeks, and I still would have met the 10% challenge. But no, I had to, try to push it a little more. And that led me to these trades that really were, it wasn't that CVS was really a bad trade. It's just, I couldn't get that $1 profit, and I ended up carrying it into the next few days. And of course, I bought a put, and CVS would go up. There we go. And then of course, Lee Auto proved heavily detrimental for me. I'll even throw up some screenshots of some of these trades that I was able to take during this massacre that I was taking. I'll live or die by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We'll see if I'm able to recover anything or if I go even further down. And from there, I think I'll just, again, stick with the 10% from wherever that low is and just try to rebuild and possibly catch up, but not really force myself, because that's when I make these mistakes, is that when I try to force these excess gains that I really don't need to do because I've hit 10%. That being said, as always, I'll throw in my picks for next week. I also noted that Earnings Whisper, which I told you about last video, they already have the next stocks that are going to be posting earnings. So perhaps here are some names that I'll keep a lookout for. Maybe add this to my list. I haven't yet because I don't see anything of great interest Monday. But maybe Exxon, PayPal, Meta. Ooh, Activision. That's one that I like to trade. So maybe I'll go ahead and add those to the list. Other than that, I do want to say that I was able to learn more about the technical indicators. So that was a huge success this week, and I got into moving averages, support and resistance, candlesticks, and RSI. And I've actually played around to see if I can determine any sort of patterns by putting those together. And hopefully that'll just augment my ability to recognize patterns and trade. I'll have to figure out, I have a long ways to go in terms of learning about the different indicators and seeing which are going to work for my shorter term trading. But I'll keep you updated, of course. We'll see if I'm bailed out Monday. To be honest with you, most of these trades, probably like 80% of these trades, I've been taking a loss as soon as I enter the position anyway, and I've just been getting bailed out. So this was finally that big slap in the back of the neck and just say, hey, you should have just taken that L at a 15% loss and kept it moving. But, Again, we'll see. Wherever I end up, I'll definitely try to gain 10% on my way back to the good graces of the 10% challenge. And of course, it'll be interesting to see what I end up with when it's all said and done. Thank you for watching. This has been The Ignorant Entrepreneur. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.